Hi, I'm Luke with Crary Bearcat. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a DL8 debris loader from crate to finished product. First step, we're going to open up the box. We're going to take everything out. You're going to need some snips and take out some lag bolts and your owner's manual. So with your owner's kit, you're going to want to make sure that you have everything in there first before you start assembling everything. Now that we have all the small parts out, we're going to take the whole box off just so that it'll be easier to get to the main machine. Okay, so now you're going to want to grab a friend to help pick up the machine and take it off the pallet. So we're going to go through the owner's kit, make sure we have everything that we need to assemble the machine. So as you can see, it's a very simple kit. There's not much to it. There's only these 4 rings and a couple of bolts. Here's your warranty registration, your owner's manual, and your engine manual. Okay, we've done a quick checklist to make sure we have all of our parts. After that, we're going to start assembling the machine. So the first step in assembling it is attaching the hose to the main body of the machine. The next thing we're going to do is put the hose support onto the main fan housing. Next, we're going to have to loosen up these and spread them out and hook the chains on its hook. So a quick tip that I found on how to assemble the discharge tube is take your 2 spacers, just loosely assemble everything. So next we're going to take the discharge tube and we're going to set it on in the machine. So now that we have all the bolts put on there, if you want to rotate it 360 degrees, just loosen up each bolt and you can rotate it freely. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this helps with your assembly of your machine. Before you run it, make sure to do a fluid check of your engine. Next time you see this machine, you'll be out in the field doing some work.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos on our channel to learn more about Crary Bearcat products and get tips from the pros like me, and see our equipment in action.